Hi everyone, Rahul here. In this video, I will explain you how to install SQL Developer tool. So in my previous videos, I have explained you how to install Oracle database on Windows 10 and how to connect to SQL Plus utility. Now, this is the time to download SQL Developer tool and to create a new connection to database. So what is SQL Developer? It's an IDE for working with SQL in Oracle databases. On the high level, it's a tool used to write SQL queries and to play with data, read, modify, analyze, and so many things we can do in SQL Developer. Now go to the installation steps. Step 1 is to go to this Oracle URL, and step 2 is to download this zip file. So let's go to this URL, click on download. You must accept the Oracle license agreement and click on download. You must have Oracle account. Now click on sign in and your download will start automatically. This is a small file. It will not take much time to download. So my zip file is downloaded. Next step is extract this zip file and pin to start menu. Let me extract it. Now go to this SQL Developer folder and pin this application to start menu so that we can easily open it from the start menu. Just write SQL Developer in the start menu and SQL Developer application is launched. Next step is to create a new connection. You will see screen something like this. So go to our application. You have to click on this green plus button to create a new connection. So this window is now open. It's asking you for the connection name. I will connect it through sys here. So I'm giving name as test underscore sys. Username is sys. I already explained you in my previous video that sys is a user already installed by Oracle at the time of installation. We will give role as sysdba and password I have set it as Oracle. Now to create a connection, what are the mandatory parameters? So if someone asks you about your address, so what all things you will update, like what is your country, what is your state, what is your locality, what's your pin code. In the same way, when we have to connect to database, apart from username and password, there are some mandatory parameters which we need to enter, like host name, port name, SID or service name. Now, what is SID and what is service name? Oracle SID is the unique name that uniquely identify your instance or database, whereas service name is the TNS alias that you give when you remotely connect to a database, and this service name is recording in TNS names. In this video, I will explain you how to connect to database through SID. Now, how to find exact SID. So there are some steps you need to follow. Write services.msc in run utility and then find Oracle services.star. We have to find this Oracle Services ORCL. Now go to window R, type services.msc. We have to find this Oracle Services. Here it is, Oracle Services ORCL. So whatever is written after Oracle Service, that is ORCL, this is our SID. Host name will remain same as localhost. Port will remain 1521. It's just SID we need to change as ORCL and then click on test. Success. So congratulations guys. Our connection is established and we have successfully created a connection to our database. Now click on connect. Now what's next? Start writing SQL queries. So before writing SQL queries, let me give you an overview or look and feel for the SQL developer. Like this is the connection area where we can click on any connection. We can click on tables tab to see what all tables are there, views, indexes, packages, procedures. Just click on plus button and you will be able to see these functions and tables and all these database objects. Although this database is empty for us, there are predefined tables and packages and indexes like database objects created in this database. So now let's write your first query. As I already explained you, dual is an internal table. You have to write this query and click on this green button to execute it. Congratulations. So this is your first query. In the query window, you can see the output. You can write another query like select star from DB underscore tables to see what all tables are present in this database. So that's it guys. You can practice now writing SQL queries. So in this video, I have explained you how to download SQL Developer tool and how to create a connection to the database. If you have learned something new, please like this video. Happy learning guys. Thank you.